Hello, good evening everyone. Welcome to the next tricks. Today we are going to show how to Google Sheet data copy to other Google Sheet. You can see there is some data of this sheet. We want to copy to this separate sheet. Okay, is it got it? So let's see how to do it. Actually, we are not using the Google import range function. We are trying to use Google Spreadsheet. So let's see how to do that. First, you can create new tab or existing Google Sheet. This I show you creating new tab. I just give the name test. You want to copy to here from this sheet data. So let's start. First, you can open this extension and Spreadsheet. After copy this link, copy this code on the description. You can copy from there. Don't change above any code. You only change to this URL and page name and data range. Watch carefully. I will show that. This is my data sheet URL. I copy that, then go to this and paste here in the top place. Then go to this sheet and copy the tab name. And paste here. This is tab name. This is the range, data range. Your sheet, check the data range. I want to A1 to F500 or let's see. There is yeah, 589. Okay, A1 to F500, 600. So then you go to your sheet and copy this link and paste here in this area. Paste here and go to that tab name. Just paste here. Then give the data range. You want A1 F509, same range, or you can customize this range, but I give the same way. Then save. After you can run using select run and press the run button. Permission, give the permission. Thanks. Click here, allow. Right, let's see. Yeah, you can see here our data is copied. So very simple. We can give the other tricks. If you want to set schedule time, then look at the video. Now I want to tell one thing. This one advantage is you can change data in here. Then not any effect like when you use the import range function, you are not allowed to change this here data. But when we use script, after script, you can edit as you want. So now you delete this data, then you can run again. So it's okay. Now let's see how to set the time. Go to trigger, add trigger, select run, time driven. I want to set minute and every 1 minute. You can customize as you want, then save. Then every minute refresh, every minute run this code and overwrite your data. You can see I delete this and it will run automatically. You can look at that. Yeah, you got it. Hope you got it. Again I delete this and let's see. And also you can add bottom. You can add anything in the bottom. That also update. That also update. Wait for 1 minute. You can add the many tab and many link here and change the code. Yeah, did you saw that? Hope you did see. Top part is already filled. So the thing, when we go to this code, you can add the many code here, something like that, and change your URL and sheet name and data range. You can get more information about our website. We send the code and all details in the description. Please check description, and if you have any issue, then comment us. I will help you. Thank you.